Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete WhatsApp chat from both sides in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp and now we need to go to chat. So let's tap on this and let's go to the chat we want to delete. So let's go for this one and here we can see this chat. We need to press on this for a while and in the top we can see this delete icon. So let's tap on this and here are two options. One is delete for everyone and delete for me. If you click on delete for me, it will be deleted only for you, and if you want to delete it from both sides, you need to click on delete for everyone. So let's tap on this and click on OK. So this is done. So this is how you can delete a WhatsApp chat from both sides in WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.